Hi there folks, buckle up. Today on Terry's Diverse Horizons, we're storming the Canada Revenue Agency's castle to snag your disability tax credit refund, and we're doing it without those shady companies trying to swipe 20% to 35% of your loot, plus tax on top. Think of me as your thrift store Robin Hood, here to save you from overpriced middlemen. The DTC's your ticket to tax relief if you've got a big league impairment, and I'm showing you how to claim it yourself. Free, fabulous, and full of sass. Let's roll. At number 1, check if you qualify. Are you DTC worthy? First things first, do you qualify for this tax break bonanza? The CRA's looking for severe, prolonged impairments. Think, can't walk to the fridge without a struggle, or spending 14 hours a week on insulin drama. Not sure? Hit up their site's eligibility criteria page. It's like a choose-your-own-adventure book, but with less fun and more fine print. At number 2, grab Form 2201, the golden ticket. Next, snag Form 2201, your VIP pass to tax relief. Download it from the CRA's site. Search 2201, no hunting required. You fill out Part A with your deets, then hand Part B to your doc to certify you're a disability rockstar, or go digital in My Account for a fancy reference number. Your call, no cash needed. At number 3, rope in your medical pro. Doc, be my wingman. Time to charm your doctor, or physio, shrink, whoever fits the bill. Book a slot, bring T2201, or that digital code, and say, Doc, I'm DTC bound, hook me up. They'll spill the tea on how your impairment's a daily buzzkill. Fair warning, they might charge $50 to $200, but that's peanuts compared to a company's cut. At number 4, submit to the CRA. Send it, don't spend it. Doc's done? Fire that form to the CRA. Upload it via My Account for speed. Track it like a hawk with their progress tracker. Or go retro and mail it to your tax center. Lists on the form. No middleman, no 35% scam, just you and the tax gods duking it out. At number 5, wait for the green light. Patience, grasshopper. Now, you wait, 8 weeks or more, because the CRA moves slower than a sloth on vacation. Check My Account for updates and brace for the notice of determination. Approved? You're golden for up to 10 years back. Denied? Call 1-800-959-8281 and sweet talk them into a redo. No limit on retries. At number 6, claim your refund. Cha-ching time. Approved? Cash in. Current year, slap $9,872 or $15,630 for kids onto your tax return, lines 31,600, 31,800, or 32,600. Past years, T1-ADJ, each one back 10 years via My Account or mail. Adults could snag $15,000, kids up to $40,000, no taxes paid, no refund, but a spouse can grab it instead. Ka-chow. The DTC is a non-refundable tax credit that knocks down your income tax bill if you've got a severe prolonged impairment, or if you're supporting someone who does. It's not a check in the mail. It adjusts your taxes, potentially giving you a refund for past years if you overpaid. Companies like Swift Disability or Disability Credit Canada, True North Disability Services, and Trust Disability Solutions will charge you a hefty chunk of that refund, 20% to 35% plus tax on top, for doing what you can handle with a bit of elbow grease. Why pay $5,000 to $15,000 in fees when the CRA's process is free? Let's keep it in your pocket. And there you have it, rebels. You've just nabbed your DTC refund without letting those 20 to 35% leeches anywhere near it. No $5,000 to $15,000 fees, just you, a form, and a doc's scribble. You're the boss of your bucks now. Go treat yourself to something nice, like a double-doubles run, and tell those companies to shove it. Got questions? Hit me up. I'm your DIY tax sidekick. Catch you on the flip side.